Hello, sir. Finally, for the last item, number 10 problem, retrieve the list of books that have not been reordered at any store located in a specific city. So, I will kuan daw mga list sa books nga wala sukad na order bitaw na in any store. Pero located siya in a specific city. So, suppose kuan Cagayan de Oro City ang lugar. Let's use our hometown. So what we gonna do is find a book ID, the title, ay from groups B, left join, transactions T on B book ID and the book ID, and then left join again, stores S on the store ID equals S store ID and city. So suppose we use suppose ang city kay Cagayan de Oro City. Where store ID is null. So here's the list of books nga wala pa na order squad sa any store located in specific located in Cagayan de Oro City. So kining books nga To Kill a Mockingbird, The Culture and Politics, sir akong gigamit yun nga book ID gid kay lang ISP at pwede naman na ito mga simple lang nga mga values, naglisod-lisod pagit ko. Anyway, human ako sir. So here tara, I copy and paste my SQL code. I created my view, books not ordered in Cagayan de Oro City. And then I created procedure, get books not ordered in Cagayan de Oro City. And here's my final output. So, that's all for my part, sir. Amping ka kanunay and Merry Christmas. Ho 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 ho. Natulog na ako sir, kalas 12 na.